Hey everyone, so today's gonna be a chill and relaxing day. As you can see, it's snowing and it's actually a blizzard right now. So kind of stuck inside. I didn't have any plans anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But, you know, it kind of just sets the mood for today. Just chill and relaxing. I'm probably gonna go out a little later just to take photos. Because right now it's still snowing and it's kind of windy. So I'm gonna wait for it to settle down. And I think that's gonna happen around 4 o'clock. So until then, I'm just gonna try to make the best of what I can do right now inside. And I'm just gonna go start my day and just try to be a little productive. What I really like about this framing right now is that this side of the window is filled with all of these items, and it's kind of filling the frame on this side, and on this side it's really empty. So I figured, you know what, it would be a good idea for me to stand right over here. I would say it would like be an interesting juxtaposition. I'm gonna try vlogging today.
Wow.
What? Oh, this is for YouTube.
Huh?
This is for YouTube. You want to be on my YouTube channel?
Me?
Yes. We're making pancakes right now. Alright, so it's 1 o'clock right now. I'm gonna go help my dad shovel the driveway because it looks like the snow has settled down a little bit. It doesn't look too windy. So I'm gonna go help drive or shovel the driveway, and then I'm gonna take some photos too. So let me just get all my stuff ready right now. Alright, I'm pretty much set. Well, everything is already here. This is so funny. I have my mittens. Alright, spoilers. So I ended up not taking photos like I planned to because I was just focused on cleaning the driveway and cleaning the cars. But I did end up getting this good photo of my dad. I still wanted to get some photos in the snow, so I came up with a contingency plan for some time in the future. Alright everyone, it's a new day, and this is basically the contingency plan to go out and take photos at a park, which is really exciting today because it ended up being a very moody kind of day. It's a little warm for January, so the snow is evaporating and it creates kind of this foggy, misty effect. So I'm really excited to take photos. I have all of my equipment. I have everything in my bag, an umbrella, because unfortunately I didn't bring a rain jacket. And I have a body mount for my action camera so I can film while I take photos. I just have to get everything set up and together, and I'm gonna be basically on my way. I'm completely lost. I just climbed up this really huge hill. I don't know if you could see it behind me. I walked all the way from like over there, walked up this hill and around up to here. I'm really out of breath. I don't want to get any water in my boots. I can kind of feel the water seeping into my feet right now, and I'm looking at all like the trail, and it's all snow covered and wet. Makes me wish I had rain boots. I'm going back. Okay, so I expected to be outside longer, but I really underestimated the melted snow, and it's all in my socks and my shoe and my boots, and it's really uncomfortable. So I just decided to go inside my car and basically call it a day, which kind of makes me sad because I was expecting to film for this YouTube video and also get some footage for another YouTube video that I'm planning on doing. But you know what, it's okay, because you know, out of the shots that I did get, I was really happy. They were all good shots, really good shots in my opinion, and I'm glad that I got to go outside for a little bit. So what can I say? It was a good day. That's probably gonna be the end of the video. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in.